Hello and welcome to another ScratchLink instructional video. Today what we're looking at is how to use the serial terminal, in this case Putty, to just do some testing of the eBot, its outputs and inputs. Great, so you're going to have Putty installed. So we'll start Putty up, and the eBot is on COM3. I'm just using serial USB, but you could use Bluetooth, it doesn't make any difference. You need to have it set up as instructed. So COM3, I'm going to open the terminal and just maximize that. So the first thing that you know you've got an active connection is that the terminal window opens, and you will see the various configuration information come back from the eBot and be displayed in the serial terminal window. So we can see its Bluetooth name there, its firmware version, and all the different hardware configurations that were done during manufacture. Great, so using the commands from the command reference manual, you can issue all sorts of commands. So we'll just say test the wheels first of all. So, and you can see the wheels are going. I'll turn them off now. Now let's have a look at the LEDs. We'll just do a demo. Great, that's working. Let's try the matrix. Yep, looks good. Let's turn that off. So that's all of our outputs. So let's try the inputs. And all the inputs come back in one big data packet once every 100 milliseconds or so. So to look at that data packet, we will just go stream on, and so each line is one data packet, and first one is timestamp. Then you've got the ultrasonic sensor, so 11. So if I move that, you can see that it's changing down the bottom there. Great. And what we'll look at is the RGB sensor, that's the color sensor. There are all the RGB values and the color correction and the total and the color guess, so they're changing. And VA is the voltmeter and the ammeter. So everything is working there, no problems at all. So that's how we can test things and issue commands from a simple serial terminal. You could also do it in Arduino, will work exactly the same, and you can also do it from the helper app. You don't need the helper app to run here because you are talking with a direct serial connection. Okay, you can also do this from anything that can issue serial commands. Open up a serial port, so we could do this from Python, we could do this from JavaScript on the PC. At the moment we're doing it from Putty. Great, thanks so much for listening.